yesterday, you know, the amamihe ga-akpọ ya akpọ gọvanọ eziokwu abi gọvanọ okwu asị. The thing is that let me make this statement before I go on. Whatever Ebony's son they post is lie. If you own Ebony's son they post, you guys should not take that Ekpedima serious. You know, people that know me on this platform or people that are familiar with how I do my thing can attest to the fact that the last thing I can come out on social media to do is to give false information. If for any update in the Hosho, I may post here. Ndi bido follow him or ndi follow him during Oge Matthias or how I've been doing my thing on social media. The last thing nge post or nge update lies. I always say it. I know it's at that level of to come on social media, even at us, maybe people like him or you know, whatever. The only thing I can do in any topic or any discussion is to be a bit biased. But I must say the truth. You know? Now, so like I said, all these things, Bonnie's son, they post or whatever. After everything, I will say the real things and how everything happened. Imana onwe ka oku se de na boy hine ka ya na eku. You know, till things take icha like into places before I will give my full and general analysis on what happened, how onosime money in siga. Owe na agwa m na ekperima na akpa Ebony son si na oge no Abuja, oge ano ha Abuja. But maybe they are always quick to trying to buga on social media. Because the truth of everything is that they don't have the power. That is just the thing. Chamaka Meridian, Happy New Year, I greet you. But almost on certain things, Ageku, Wendin Agaheku for the meantime. But later, Ebu wire straight up. Share this video for me. The person actually address Governor Ezioku. Adema like an adult on especially when it comes to social media. Ihi kuru with full chest. If you see na somehow we mess go up, it was a key cover. And the people like Governor Ezioku, if people like Governor Ezioku, oh problem I name when I need today. You see people like Governor Ezioku, they are the problem. Now if I name na how is boom mad na had that you know nazo. Most of them have sex skeleton in their cupboard. Someone shared his life to me yesterday, and I took my time to, you know, watch But one of the things, a lot of things caught my attention, but the major thing caught to my attention, about Evangelist Ebukobi. He might not call his name, but I am Onyo Nagwa. Let me play this video to you for you guys to listen.
Right now, do you know what they are doing? They are trying to puff up soda. I can tell you, do you know what they are doing right now? Do you know what they are doing? They are trying to puff up soda. I can tell you one person who stood with microphone and said that people, many of those people you see commenting, please, Igbo, they are not there because they want to stand for what is right. They are there because they are speaking from their ministry. This is the gospel truth. And Ogechi she's one of those people. They feed from that table.
Just listen.
Please, right as of today, the same man who said that he knows nothing about Ogechi, does not know anything Ogechi does, and they always defend that he's too busy in the mountain and all that. He's busy fighting for cause, putting means on how to free Ogechi. I'm telling you, there are things I can't say online because right now I realize that if I do like this, it goes viral. So because of my mistake yesterday, please forgive me and leave me and this person.
You go beg, tire.
Leave me and this lady. Let me mechanize her. The nude pictures of women she showed on social media.
We are coming to that. I guess you guys grab the statement to make it there. That no way somebody will go on a Ogechi phone or say no any claim no on social, they active on social media, no on a mountain. But now the person they marry call on how to free Ogechi. I don't know if some of you guys understand this voice. Wait, let me play it again before I can proceed to other things. Just listen. Imana, all man no mercy go up. He's not trying to manipulate the minds of Ndi Igbo, Ndi IPOB in general. Instead of him to own his I'm trying to watch my words on this Facebook. Instead of him to own his wrong statement or make it out there in public. And that man, surely Ndi Obodo is not happy with him. And I believe him na ofiri we go the heat. Owe potana iho na emene ihe na about damage control. But he geji afu na daft person call. The more na eme ko make the damage control, the more ko na make more mistakes. You know, let me play this voice again so that you guys will hear it once again before I can proceed.
Do you know what they are doing right now? Do you know what they are doing? They are trying to puff up shoulder. I can tell you one person who stood with microphone and said that people, many of those people you see commenting, please, Igbo, they are not there because they want to stand for what is right. They are there because they are speaking from their ministry. This is the gospel truth. And Ogechi she's one of those people. They feed from that table.
Just listen.
Please, right as of today, the same man who said that he knows nothing about Ogechi, does not know anything Ogechi does, and they always defend that he's too busy in the mountain and all that. He's busy fighting for cause, putting means on how to free Ogechi. I'm telling you, there are things I can't say online because right now I realize that if I do like this, it goes viral.
If they bore you well, say it.
So because of my mistake yesterday, please forgive me and leave me and this person. Leave me and this lady. Let me mechanize her. The nude pictures of women she showed on social media.
Let me stop it here. He gave German at this guy. Boajo Madi. Alma Foti as a manipulator. Now, also which go who about nude. Ijuse governor if at all no nwe nude ndi Ogechi posuru oge nwakwa. O posuru nke nwunye governor eziokwu. Ke business onwe. Basaru. Because I believe that ihe gbasara nude a ha na-ekwu bụ na Ogechi na-eme matchmaking. Oh, I want to make matchmaking, makasi media thing. Asige kurota, asige norana, asige menka. Maybe he's doing all those things in a funny way. You know, I believe that is what he's talking about. But even though no we can do cigar or no do munye governor eziokwu ke post na social media. Now, if you go back to that life, because on a plea disease, ndị Igbo to forgive him na that statement to make. No, the guy lied. It's just that I don't have the time to be playing his long statement on that life. This guy lied. You know, when who go on Oji, we say na Ogechi they raised in the IPOB fund. They made the IPOB fundraising. Nyoku no Oji account ya. Where receive wego kuchie. Thank God for social media. Second thing again that caught my attention is that Governor Ezeoku lied that no mahano camera no yanihu. Let me play this video for you to see. You watch that their video arrest ya. Watch your video now.
Let me talk to my, let me use my phone. Where is it? I need to use my now. Guys,
now watch you here. Watch you singing on 4 camera. Don't worry, let me go back. If you take a close at this video, Igafona even speak Governor Ezeoku na camera na reflect. And they watch ihu ya, Igamano the guy ji camera ko face where they kuya ho neku. I don't know why he's lying. If you watch that video, only know into film, like I want know into filming production, my hand up camera angle, like ebe camera si abia. Unyo ona jiri camera na video, imagebe that camera si abia. But I will still post a video. I will also post some of the pictures. Iga for direct that Governor Ezeoku or Governor Okwase is speaking direct to the camera. All mano way in a video ni anya straight up. And the main reason we make that statement is that all mano ihe wokuo ya, those vigilante group hapo webia a pick interest to ginger push Ogechi, you know. He what chose will make is that statement. Kahabia say, oh yeah, buy moto, J Park, and now bazing, you know, now majas everywhere. Or immediately we make that statement. Onya and erase in the iPod bego. You know? Nka had enough. Or say that this woman will go a lot of people na southeast. Okay, let's just say na erase ego bokwa a slip of tongue. How about that na this woman will get a lot of people na southeast? He didn't end there. He further stated that no way evidence of it. Man they buy cake and they buy. Why any brain on the quiz you? Or put on live video na yo okoroba da or see no Ogechi send the nude or see no Ogechi menka or see no Ogechi menka or since your phone a plan ha gasa and the no mess go up. On actually no you see a cover up. You is now drag give and the disabled Kobe. The same governor is you putano last time. See I na amam kosi no siwe na no conversation Father Mbaka na evangelist Kobe. The same him last time. amam ka o si pụta sị na ọ na-anụ call one reverend father wee kpọọ one reverend wee kpọọ onye a wee kpọọ onye a asị ya na dama asị ya na nka. I don't care. Mexico blog Ogechi ogburu onye nke gị si Ogechi gburu ọtụtụ mmadụ ogburu mpa gị ka ogburu mma gị. You see, for me, whatever Ogechi did in the past is not my business. If you say no anything in the past, it's none of my business. The only thing I'm interested on is this present thing. One sagas we bido because oge ahụ J-Park na governance okwu na oge ahụ ha na-akụzi ọ na-afọ olubeghị out. Ha ma hono ihe Ogechi mere in the past. Mexico blog. Oge ahụ ma J-Park yo ma governor ma ha ncha niile na rapport. Oge ahụ akụzi ọ nkada emenite ha na-egburu ha azụ na-edugharị ha. None of them remembered no Ogechi send the nude. Right? Because some of you, amam kunsi eche. None of them. Onye chete no Ogechi send the nude or no Ogechi merenka or no Ogechi buru nka or Ogechi boro or keta. Like I said, many of you amaho the maintain nagan. Many of you amaho the hanako. Una mahonde ha kolu kocha TC everywhere. Now you're for petition. Now you're for everything. Because Hamana, all this their nonsense saga. Hajiwe Jebura arrest here. Who do anything. As far as I'm concerned, all J-Park na governor Meru Ogechi arrest. Forget one kind of signal Osi Fedra Esinanka. On the Hakulu Cortina the case. Kini na name yesterday. Somebody called me. From their own camp. You know? And he said many things. They are the main architect of this whole arrest. Forget the other say powers above, federal this one, federal that one. Okay, powers above, webia. Governor Ezio could not amount it. Yes, greatest, come on. I just told you. Let's say na power si above webia. Obo hanwa media direct. O name ne celebrate. Ku onye umadoru deri nwa mama. You know? All I manipulate some of you. They can manipulate somebody like me. And coupled with the fact that na oni heni ina asiaga ona kwa ka ona eru aya aka ona kwa ka ina efolia. It's just that nobu he ine ka yeku. Governor Ezekwu is a great liar, and somebody like him bu problem ina enwe na Igbo ya na J-Park. Okay, kita kunu chetene what of all wait you una feel na some of you can we maru activity Ogechi on social media. Unu wana sing no Ogechi ji make ni o me honka o send dia una na che kodem unu can we maru ka activity Ogechi we bido on social media. I started social media, this Facebook precisely 2009. Ogem bido Facebook. E bido Facebook ka tuna amam ko unyo ona siwe kwado. Amam ko ona siwe bido. If you want to talk about the SND nude, emehonke, there are a lot of ladies hana agbawo then. It's just that I don't be interested in here but start home wine or whatever hana me dead. A lot of ladies hana same Ogechi na agbawo then. Hana present the things about her. Yamane send the things about them. Why is Governor Ezekwu or those of you now saying that okay, I get a lot of people, opposite a lot of people? Why are they bringing it now? Why you bro now have the abacha saga? I see J-Park wotike kecheki eba kokuni na siwebido. Why then? Oga hana alụkọ na exchange na akpakọ ọfụma na emekọ business. Why J na Governor Uzukwu I chetohoro Ogechi no nwe ndị na-etufu noodles ha. Or no, they were wanted on this one or this one emeho. You know? Get a second as na cover up. Ejidie my whole message also okuyakebu. Why not for evangelist Ebuko Biafra kpọrọ ya n'isi na ọ na-eme call ka efirie Ogechi. Gị na-atụ ya ụjọ. Okay, kpọ ya afa. Si na onye asị na ọ dị ha nọ na social media, ọ dịghị eme nke ọ dị. If they born in Papa well, ya mee ọnụ kpọ ya afa. You know? If you go back to that video again, Kone claim na mahon eji camera, oh no man eji camera, okay, make statement make you ihe gbasara ihe ndị iPod then, DOS then, oh hamaka asi we mee ya then. Of which na at some point ezigbo kantamotion nọ na between the group, onye ọ na kewasi anwe group nke ya. So whatever Ogechi said or did them with her own group, abụrụ ihe ga-ebute kịta. And the kedoge oje bro Nigerian police na a treaty matabasaru IPOB. If at all na oge nwekosi on the police on the ihe abihege I settle the matter. You know? I want to na-achọ ndị one day ihe na. Ọ ma ebe oye je wee fụ ha na. Ọ ma ihe ọ na-eme. Ọ ma plan. It's just that na plan how work was. Ọ ya mere ihe ha na-ezuzu like this. And he knows that the only statement or God drop onwe wait. If you can't make a Abuja men ka Eruku Abuja onwekwu ihe ha ejete. Manoma, no that statement you koye moku ya ege ya ntị, especially Indianos nogasi no office, Indiano uniform, mana ndị ihe ya ndị ụmụ ihe some group just so na agbasa everywhere na buy. I'm trying to watch my words. You know? Oma no mention Hana only a part of this people. A pick a very interest on her. That's why you make that statement. But that's not a slip of tongue, no mistake. On the other way, in a person in the iPod na habo. No how an ebu mad. You are trying to confirm no how the what are that calling it now? In charge of hearing name na buy. I could you make that statement? On a raise, on a mere fundraising. Added that no bugo many people na buy. That means not their own raise the fundraising, but you bunde mad na buy. Igbo Channels TV. No press that matter. Ejo. Leave that matter. That one after. Guys, I saw to go do things. After. Kai get kusai den ka. He knows that no mention Hana. I otagi Hanu Gechi. I po bebendi uojino. Nagi pick very interest, and that is exactly what happened. Go and watch the video. Unya made this thing. Unya go to mad in the southeast. Age evidence. What is the evidence? Age. You go explain. If you governors a bit of a more explanation. Okay, make it this explain or like okay make it explain where all these people will problem I win a Southeast. If somebody like this can come out and make this statement in public, can you think he making us? Obu only do na they making such statement, or let's just say na like he said no mistake or whatever. If you can be good enough, kire your fellow Igbo person like this, miru ndi ha. Kezi ho geku nazu. All people like this you na ni Igbo ade homma. All people like this you na so many innocent people. E delete sigo ha. Gina made mwe obere okwu na-eriju ha afọ. E chọ ihe ga-ata gị ya n'isi ka ewepụ ya. Oh yeah, problem anyị na-enwe na Igbo today. Mana ọpụta ọ na-amachari ifidie n'onwe ihe nọ ya n'ime ifidie na ndị awụ ndị nga ọgbala Chineke zọkwara unu ọbahụ na oche na ọ na-azọrọ unu local government chairman na beginning dị ka ọ na-azọrọ unu ọsọzi unu ọpụtakwa ọzọ unu eji etoeri akwụkwọ oge finish unu pata. I don't know the reason some people cannot regard that governor eziokwu as ezigbo mmadụ as unye like the good for the society. All the same governor eziokwu wuru phone kpọọ Ijuwa na 3 days ago. Na-echi Ijuwa warning Ijuwa should never put his picture or mention his name on his page. May I try pani again in his life. That means obazie n'office onwe ka o si mehe garo na unu nwawo ndị ngọkpa local government unu ahịa asaghị nwa ọnụ si ya imete ekwe nka oke ka nka asiga ọlọkụ unu ncha niile ozugbo na tucheki. So he should own his statement. You see that statement to make it, yeah, oh no, yeah, no, nothing like the more he's trying to give excuses or the more he's trying to do the damage control, the more he look more stupid. Because he's critically clear, everything is there. You said you wasn't aware that the camera is there. Meanwhile, you are looking towards the camera, you are watching the guy direct. This woman is ego. Eyeglass again, the camera near reflect from eyeglass. Don't worry, I have a lot of videos here. I will post the video after this live video. Just watch this video. Always taking off her camera. In a half camera and an eyeglass here. Just calm down and watch your video. If this man is full of lies. Now watch it. Now watch the video. If you hania, always taking off her camera. In a half, 1.5 year. 1.5 year. Who is still looking at? Why making those statements? 1.5 years off her camera. So you guys are not seeing his eyes. Near glass, your phone on reflect. That phone may reflect there. All the same person now on the iPod. When they make a statement, and a big no man a camera no there no guy he such thing. Or when you see a kujo a loni but 1 year. When you see menka, when you see menka. All man cannot cast go. Okay, that means without camera, he make a such statement. Ogechi Gabazie, because unu saga a few weeks ago. Unu wanasi ano stripper no ya nwaburu mpia. Omu ya wore mbe. Okporu mpia police ya wana fire kunu back. Okpogi escon okpo bele face uje park. Onye opontu. Ogusea bi wunu na nke ikpeazụ a simply because no na akuza yon follow out of favor unchoka na enyu 2 million be 3 million akwekwechiri Una follow out of favor. The park amaba baku kisa famanya hane eme. Nacho ka ajiri abutuo business ako. Una ne through tantrums to Zion ministry, Zion members back to back. Ogechi Wesemba. You guys should stop. Ununi ebruzie di saga. Una fuzie no defeat we good. Una echetezie no ne post to be nude. Una echetezie no na dey go the iPod or whatever. Una echetezie some certain things. Onwe an idiot to sinafia or boss lady ne delum nonsense messages na edo a picture oge na zone 5 abi zone 30 na no they wanted and I call me here na bakamuta agwa o derum that o send them that nonsense again thunder a fire aya. I don't care about whatever you guys see no game before whatever, it's not my business. All mputa go also go mputa today see no ge wanene see no ge uderi. I must still speak on behalf of her. Because this recent issue, we know how it started. If unke recent here, I am a kusibido. Unke mero genwa 5 years ago, 4 years ago, 10 years ago. It's not of my business. And you guys cannot use it to nail her now. You know? Oh yeah, ona. And Igbo na agbahara today. Because onye chọrọ ikwu eziokwu. Nobody want to say the truth anymore. Watch onye tụrụ asị na video ya si na ọfụghọ kamera, ọ mahụ na kamera nọ there, na ọ na kamera nọ there. He can make such statement. Now watch na anyị ya. I couldn't have. It's not that for camera. You don't have camera. I can't reflect na eyeglass here. And I call her bookie. Now watching. Oh yeah, turn again. Or soon for camera. Una have fair nanya. Upudisi. I just made video editing in details. Now watching here. That's not for camera. All normal camera no there. You make such statement. You see? Oh, full statement you make. Koji kwaroge, koji like kwaroge, kwaena nsobu. Ko make this evangelist Ebukobina indirectly. The evangelist Ebukobina make call since ka hapu oge. If I'm not mistaken, yesterday was Sunday program. The ministry hold the program. On a program or program call on made the call. For those of you not join now.
They are doing. They are trying to puff off soda. Do you know what they are doing right now? Do you know what they are doing? They are trying to puff off soda. I can tell you one person who stood with microphone and said that people, many of those people you see commenting, please in Igbo, they are not there because they want to stand for what is right. They are there because they are speaking from their ministry. This is the gospel truth. And Ogechi she's one of those people. They feed from that table.
Akoko. You watch Ogechi Okeke Njaka.
Right as at today, the same man who said that he knows nothing about Ogechi, does not know anything Ogechi does, and they always defend that he's too busy in the mountain and all that. He's busy sorting for calls, putting means on how to free Ogechi. I'm telling you, there are things I can't say online because I realize that if I do like this, it goes viral.
Say it. Say it.
So because of my mistake yesterday, please forgive me and leave me and this person. Leave me and this lady. Let me mechanize her. The nude pictures of women she showed on social media. Ogechi on social media and Igbo. Did you see me share that video? I have conscience. Do you know what they are doing right now?
Nobody should allow all this emotional blackmail to get over them. Any of you chore piawayazu. That is just the thing. This is the only way a lot of people will learn. Onye je meka be emotional blackmail so unu ncha unu akopolia. You know? This emotional blackmail for me can never work. Nobody should allow this nonsense on our call here to work. Oh my email. You just wanna marry like this, you just the heat now pile it up to him. You could imagine yesterday was Sunday. Open here as minister hold her program on Sunday. As you okay, no way they call it. But yesterday was Sunday. Evangelist Buka on a program. Ke berima se no na call no assault ke woptogi. You the means na call divert ya. Attention. Mande iPobu, mande ndi nkesi na Jesus Christ ebugo ha. Mande, you know, I'd like confusion. A life of a manipulator. I hate these people they live. If real, if you JPAC, and you guys should know that now. If real na Governor Ezoku or may put out there, or let's say opinion, yana JPAC and we are together. Take it or leave it. Phone ejuwe video ebe oge abia made the arrest. Oh boy JPAC video the thing. Oh boy JPAC video ya. The phone is JPAC's phone. Happy hana ashe soon a lot of bloggers be there. A lot of bloggers be there. Habiari fu president kona habiari fu ifu Buhari. Who invited them? No bro hama Ogechi Okeke upon a camera. Amako si me I wrote her phone. They knew what they did. Someone like me, I'm too intelligent in terms of all this social media matter. It's just that he whooped my time. Tianya like whooped everything. Kusede. Make all on your name. These people are the major problem I ain't when I need. Or people like this. Phone AG made the record, you know, all phone because if you watch, all he bought can a video. Can me check the video. All he bought can a son JPAC can moto even a video. And let me play this video again. It is not look as safe. I'm capping.
But because I never knew him.
Let me play the video of this arrest. Now watch the camera next to Ogechi. The camera next to Ogechi. Now watch it.
Let me talk to my. Let me use my phone. Where is it? I need to use my phone. Guy, man, what the hell, Baba? Let's go this way. How do you have evidence? This person. They won't come and look at my phone. Let's go.
Now watch your camera next. Watch one on the camera next. But watch your camera by. Kawagafi. Oku no post where sharp. Kebo camera na. Don't worry, let me fast forward it. Igenti, iganu post ya sharp. Then he watch his only camera call by J Park in a moto. Man has again on the bloggers. Bia. We bia video ya. Bloggers bia press conference. Habia the cover presidential speeches. Habia how do I even put it? Una koraboki. Watch this video from here. Let me go back. Kenu post with this thing now. Share this video. Help me share this live. Share this live. Because actually, all these people on your big on a plead should also see this video, man, on our siase. If you didn't know on your no mistake, in the biko happen ya me no when oko goji choko doku nkaji we me or makwana camera no ihe now fa we are line usumba. Governor Zuku line in fact change na afia to Linus Mba. Watch from here. Get into oge asi post to video now. Then ONS a camera abide J Park in a moto. Get on the post to sharp. You watch the camera guy yaba or moto J Park. Then watch you say. Watch onye na ayo no maho na camera no there no wo no ma o ya complete statement ya kifu onye a Linus Mba o ihu nga na akpu ya today no wo no ma ni ho choro ikwu na Ogechi forged account ji nara ego we rie no wo no ma na camera no there o gaghị make statement no na o meru ndị iPod fundraise o gaghị make the statement na this woman egbugu many people na southeast o gaghị make the statement na no evidence ọ na-akọrọ abụki Chineke bi ihe raptara ya. Watch this video isi unu of camera.
But because I never knew, if I had known that cameras was on me, I would have completed the statement with that.
Ne camera ka ọ nọ ya n'anya. Ị na-afụ ya na glass ya.
Let me play this video again. Supposed to direct. But because I never knew, if I had known that cameras was on me, I would have completed the statement without shaking. Let me play this video again.
Now watch.
Supposed to direct. But because I never knew, if I had
known
that
camera
cameras was on me, I would have completed the statement without
Ne camera
shaking.
n'anya. Ị na-afụ ya na glass ya. He was talking to the camera direct. On our office camera, we na point. On a camera, we na people not into filming. Got what he na-ekwu na. Oh, here na camera angle. People like Igbo channels. You should know better. Oh, DOP KO. People like Igbo channels should know what I meant by camera angle. Unyo ona ni na camera. If half video only what imagine the camera angle si abia. It's critically clear here. But he was lying. Let me play it once again.
Supposed to direct. But because I never knew, if I had known that cameras was on me, I would have completed the statement without shaking. Let me play this video again.
No, glass, yeah. Be looking at his
But
page.
because I never knew, if I had known that cameras was on me, I would have
On the
completed
na
the
camera
statement
na point yaka somewhere.
without shaking.
You see, he's still looking at the camera.
Let me play this video again. Supposed to direct.
Just be watching the video.
Because I never knew. If I had known that cameras was on me, I would have completed the statement without checking. Let me play this video again. Supposed to direct.
These people are the major problem I know when I need. Only some certain things in Choriku, but I'm na Oga add salt to the injury. Here you go, a lot of people, okay, they petition. Me a lot of people who claim na high white. Let me just put it that way. A lot of people who white me equal ya kita ndu to hebe wakwa. Segegene. You know? I made a video yesterday. Emana nka o ya na ndị iPod na ndị Igbo ka ọ ka na-ayọ biko na ha gbarụ no o ji mee mistake o ji na o ya mamazi ihe ọ na-eme explain. But I made a video yesterday directing it to Dr. Ogechi Okeke Njaka bụ the husband to Ogechi Njaka. That statement a military personnel care, a doctor in profession care here in America. You know the implication for someone to come out in public stating with full confidence that your wife now support a particular group, that now your wife go many people na southeast, no go many people na south, no clear evidence to Dr. Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Obo nega happen with that statement. Then I don't know. It's a heavy, and I don't even know what I will use to qualify it. Ebo Ogechi Njaka. Now, what they are telling me, a lot of people, Ogechi did this, Ogechi did that, opposed to Nka, opposed. That is not my business. After all, Ogechi post nudugi. Ke hijegi de we niya nudugi. Gini ki hijegi de we wuru nudugi niya we posto. It's none of my business. And don't go do Ogechi post nudos ya. Onya huje me ya arrest. Onya aje kaya ni aku. We are not berima. If you know we Ogechi mege mbo, Mozo police station, go there. Adebu madna police. If you want to sue her or whatever, go there. You make your entry. Onya megi he diuna. Ono na Nigeria na. Gena hakuya and not governor. Iji na cause wari confusion. Opu one post to no doso ndi omu nwanyi Igbo. Nke nwunye gi ono die. O post nke nwunye gi governor eziokwu. Onwe ihe ọzọ na afu ya na bele face je park ofu. Now this last saga opiawa hazu onwezi hozo na afọ hofu from nasi onye nke ni Igbo tike ka echeki iwe tipia asị na nwunye ya na roboru akwampe picture na video jukwere everywhere as an evidence ka ihe na eweru gi iwe. Gini ko na eweru gi iwe. Ogusia oli ango onwe. Ana ekoluko akpọ ndị be Ifeanyi Oba asi denu petition ke wote denu petition akpọ ndị nka asi denu petition hey aye make arrest this and that one. Unche na from that una camp na adịm enweta update. Ufi na camp una na na enweta update. Kita genwa governor eziokwu is claiming no genwa mere arrest. JPAC is claiming no see from federal. Iji go see na two of you the confused. You need claim. No federal kosi. Give one need claim, no give one me. Meanwhile, two of you are the one jubilating. Yes, yes, come on. I said it. Capture that life. You know? Give one J Park. Orders from federal. Man, ogi na assault on the police. Ogi korogo na station. Ogi ko mobilization fee. Orders federal police. You don't need to give police sheshe. You know, na the system. Obu na orders from above federal. You guys will not pay the police anything. Mano onu wana assault, onu wana aku ego gukwo. Ebia nakoro waja ego. Jesus. These people my problem. I trust some Nigeria police that ha get rigide go e ga ifiri iji bia situation I ga akwugide ugo fi him no nwegi. You know? Others from federal e kwugide kwa bi na waja ego oji. You guys are going forward. Ndi oji ego oji eme arrest. Ndi oji ego oji eme arrest. You know. Ikugido ugwo bianara waja anasi waja mutu camera mutu video waja anasi mutu gomia meanwhile you see that waja kwesike wori 2 by 2 pia. That video na tomabu Mamunye je palase waja mutu onu di camera waja mego o teacher sia waja go just set run the police man orders from above man no go na akwogo ye na mari call na amaja na jinja na push keju Abuja almost so certain things in nature he kuna life you know. It's not making any sense. What am I trying to say? Justice for Waja Egoji. This was Obiarant, na troublemaker. It's like, oh, wait, join him. In case you want to join me, you can send me a request. Oh, wait, join him before, but I couldn't accept that request then. Oh, wait, join him. But if you, in case you want to join me, send me a request. I'll be rounding up. So what am I trying to say? For those of you who have been on my inbox, Ogechi Menka, Imaronyo Gebu, a gas supporter, Imaronyo Gebu. I don't care. Some say, Osina, you could about a fan you ba at the home, you could about a fan you ba at the home. Nkeji Paki could about umpire wa bogi or demma. Biho na mare sinogun aburumpagi, sinogun aporumpagi police, sino na nesina esina empagi dinegi. Oh, one. Mpoga no to kill himself. If I knew Banoho to kill himself, only own an abia. That is it. Simple. Tihune weru hiwe. Unu all chief saga ka J Park ewo. Ofuzie saga baboso. So for those of you who don't Ogechi Menka, I don't care. I don't care. One-eku oto, one-eku amu, one-eku ikpu nnegi, I don't fucking care. Oto now part of the body. Oto, amu, ikpu, all part of the body. That is just it. That is just it. I don't fucking care. Ụfọdụ ụmụ nwanyị ajadua yana ha na-awabuo oge mbụ kpọpụtasị from nowhere, ma nke si na ọwụ boss lady, ma nke si na ọwụ mirabem, all of them just kpọpụta isi ụmụ nwaanyị ajadua nago n'iyi isi everywhere kpọpụtasị na nke ikpeazụ a o mere ha nke a, o mere ha nke unu mere ha, nke unu mere ya. Nke unu mere ya. Bleacher, I'm trying to bring you, but the thing is not connecting. Maybe you go out from the live and